Hello everyone, welcome back to Nails by Jen. Today I'm going to be doing this quick set on my niece. She wanted like a really light blue with some glitter. So I'm actually using EnailCouture's 1, 2, 3 Go system. This is the whole system, including the gel nails. So starting out, I'm just adding the prep and the primer to just get rid of the oils, and then the primer just works as like a adherence from your natural nail to the gel. So then I'm going to go in with the gel from the 1, 2, 3 Go kit, the base gel. I'm going to be doing one layer of that, a really thin layer, and then I'm going to cure it in the LED UV lamp for about 30 seconds. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to a thin layer of the base gel inside the nail, the full cover nail. And then I'm going to use this mini lamp. It works really well if you have the person with you to hold the lamp while you hold on to the nail, because you can't let go. You don't want to get any air bubbles. So just let them hold it, freeze cure it for about 5 seconds, and then you can let it go and do what you need to do, clean it up, get the gel from under the nail. And then once you're completely done with the whole hand, you just put it back in the LED UV lamp for about 60 seconds just to have a full cure. So once I've cured everything completely for the full 60 seconds, I'm going to go in with this cuticle ball bit. And this is just to thin out around the cuticles to get any of the gel that's seeped out. And then I'm going to go in with a buffing block or the smoothie buffer that is also from EnailCoutoure. And then I'm going to start with the overlay. So here I'm going in with GlitterBells Jupiter. I'm going to be doing that on the ring finger. I'm going to be using igelbeauty's Dip Liquids. I'm also going to go in with igelbeauty's Dip and Dab Clarity. I'm going to be doing 2 coats of those as well on all the other fingers. So once I'm done doing the 2 layers of glitter and the 2 layers of igelbeauty's Clarity, I'm going to go in with igelbeauty's Clear and cap everything. And then I'm going to do 2 layers of activator, letting it dry completely. So now I'm going to file and buff. I'm using my e-file from igelbeauty and the 240 grit sanding bands. And then I'm going to be using my smoothie buffer from EnailCoutoure just to buff everything out. So I actually lost the last little bit of footage, but all I'm doing is going in with igelbeauty's base gel, and I'm just using that as my adherence for the no cleanse top coat. Before I put the no cleanse top coat on, I'm actually gonna put some rhinestones on because that's what she wanted. And then once I cure that, I'm gonna go in with the no cleanse top coat and just cure in my UV LED lamp for about 60 seconds. And then once everything's cooled, go in with cuticle oil, and that's it. It was really simple. It's quick little mani. I also just want to say thank you, and I hope everyone is having an amazing day or night whenever you are watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I'm also on Instagram at Nails by Jen.